Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective upgrade that can breathe new life into your older Dell OptiPlex systems. We're talking about the ATEC 8GB DDR3 RAM module, specifically designed for the OptiPlex 390DT, 390SFF, and 990SFF models. If you're still rocking one of these OptiPlex machines, you know they're reliable workhorses, but they can start to feel sluggish with modern applications. One of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to boost performance is by upgrading the RAM. That's where this ATEC module comes in. This is a single 8GB module operating at 1,333 MHz with a PC3-10600 rating. It's a DDR3 DMM, so it has the standard 240-pin configuration. Importantly, it's non-ECC unbuffered and operates at the standard 1.5V, adhering to JEDEC standards. This ensures compatibility with the specified Dell OptiPlex models. The beauty of this upgrade lies in its simplicity. Installing RAM is generally a straightforward process. ATEC emphasizes that it's quick and easy to do at home, even without being a tech expert. Of course, always refer to your system's manual for specific instructions on seating and channel configurations to ensure proper installation. But why upgrade in the first place? More RAM translates to improved multitasking capabilities. Your system can handle more applications running simultaneously without bogging down. This means smoother performance when switching between programs, faster loading times, and an overall more responsive experience. If you've been experiencing slowdowns or lag, especially when working with multiple browser tabs or demanding software, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference. ATEC also backs their memory modules with stringent quality control testing. This is crucial because you want RAM that's reliable and performs consistently. The peace of mind is further enhanced by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty. Plus, they offer tech support, which is a great bonus if you encounter any issues during installation or have any questions down the road. In conclusion, the ATEC 8GB DDR3 RAM module is a solid choice for a simple and effective upgrade for your Dell OptiPlex 390DT, 390SFF, or 990SFF. It's easy to install, improves performance, and comes with a warranty for added security. If you're looking to give your aging OptiPlex a new lease on life, this RAM upgrade is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.